Morning everyone. Right, it's Rosie's day at the allotment. Oop, someone's coming, so let's go. We're off to the plots. Come on Rosie. Let's move sharp. Someone's walking behind us. Come on. Yeah, we're going to try and do some work with Rosie in situ, as it were. Don't know how well this is going to work, but we're going to give it a go. I do have some dog steaks, not ones you eat, the ones you sort of screw into the ground, and then you can attach the you kind of put the dog on the on the lead, etc, etc. So we'll see if they work, whether she'll pull them out of the ground. I mean, I do have the posts as a sort of, but the good thing about these dog screw thingies is you can screw them into the ground. So let's give it a go. There was no one here, but someone's behind us. A little distance away, but I don't know which plot there. I couldn't see who it was. But we're coming to us. Right, so this is, I've already screwed this one in, but oops, raise out the way for a minute. It's screwed in. I have another one in the shed, so let's see how this, I'm not sure if it's going to work. You stay there. Let's open this shed. And let's get started. Oh, right. Well, she's still attached to the stake, which is good. This is the other one. So I'm going to put this one near the pond, because that's what I'm going to be working on, hopefully. So I need this, and then I can move her a bit closer. And I got this probably, gosh. When I first started to do the shed, that's a long time ago. I bought this for Rosie to lie on, so she doesn't have to lie on. So actually you might get all the bits off. I hope you're all well. I didn't bring coffee because we walked here and there's too much to carry. And it's not sunny. I reckon it'd be a lot busier if it was sunny, but it's still pretty cold. Let's see how this rug looks. I don't know if you can see Rosie from there. You might be able to see her. She's trying to chew grass at the moment. She always tries to chew grass. Right. So I'm just going to throw this outside. Put those bits there. The seedlings are still alive. I'm hesitant to water them in this really cold weather, but I will water them as soon as it feels a bit warm. And let's pop that door open. So I'll see you by the pond. So you just screw it into the ground. All right, Rosie, I'm coming. She can see the ball. You can't see the ball, but well, you've got to screw it into the ground that probably doesn't have stones or. Oh, there's something in the way, you can tell. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, jeez. That's the fifth attempt, so you can get it in eventually. Right, let's get Rosie. Wait. just come lie down. Lie down. Lie down. She's just going to drive me nuts. Right, Rosie, we've got to crack on. I haven't got time for mucking about, so I'm going to put you there. So hopefully that catches. Yeah. She's got some water in that bowl. I don't know if you can see that there. But I'm going to put these staply pin around the edge. Right, let's get the guard off. Hey, simple enough. Where are they? What are they? Right. Hope this works, really, the idea of it anyway. It should do. How many do I have? Right, I'm going to put you on time lapse. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to sort of look for wildflower seeds as well. I think I might have some in the tin, I'm not sure. Or if I don't, I'll get some. But I'm going to work my way around, getting as much as I can out of there. I know, Rosie, I know. We're going. This is really an experiment, because this is the first time I've actually tried to do something with Rosie in tow, whereas we've just visited. She's had a little sniff about. She'll get used to it. She didn't once lie on that rug. She didn't even stand on it. She'll get used to that as well. Oh, well, progress anyway with the pond, which is great. Yeah, progress. A lot of the sort of stuff that's is rough in that pile can go on top of the habitat thing, because it's going to be like a little hill, really. So yeah, we're going to go home now. Oh, and I'm going to put the wildlife camera down. So if there are any, when I come and collect it tomorrow, if there are any wildlife pics, I will put it on the end of this vlog. Hopefully, cross fingers, there's something. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye from me and Rosie. Say goodbye, Rosie. She's desperate to go. She wants me to throw the ball. He's a good girl. Right. Well, we're off. We're going to go. See you. Bye. All right, we better go. She can't stand this. She's come on, Mum, come on.